thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're unboxing Love with Food, the tasting box. So Love with Food is a snack subscription. It helps you find healthier snacks. And we're opening the tasting box today, which is their most affordable box at $7.99 per month. They also have a deluxe box, which I have a referral link I'll leave down below. Normally I believe the deluxe box is $19.99, but with that promo code you can get it for $11.99, and in the deluxe box you just get more snacks. And they also have a gluten-free box as well, so if you follow a gluten-free diet, that is a great way to discover new gluten-free snacks. And what I love the most about Love with Food is that for every box, for the tasting box, they give one meal to someone in need, which I think is amazing, especially now. You know, with the current world, there's more people in need than ever, so that is great. And I believe with the deluxe and the gluten-free options, since those are more expensive, they give 2 meals to people in need, so I love that they do that. That's incredible. Go Love with Food. So yeah, it's just a way to discover new snacks. And then they also have like a shop on their website where you can explore some snacks, and maybe if you want to buy what you got in your box on their website, you can get it at a better deal. But this is what it looks like. It'll be linked down below, and let's get started. I'm hungry. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like. It says, "Make life delicious." So it never really comes with like a card that like talks about each item, but we can just read through all of them. Oh, the first thing, which I meant was read the labels on everything. I got distracted. I'm like, cheddar. This is baked cheese crackers by Cheddies and cheddar cheese. They have 7 grams of protein. There are only 110 calories in here. Nice. And it says cheddar just got better. So the ingredients in here are just cheddar cheese, wheat flour, cornstarch, whey protein, sugar, malt extract, onion powder, jasmine. So yeah, and it tells you all the allergens. Says it contains wheat milk. So I think these are just like cheddar bites, like chips, kind of like Cheez-Its, but not, with more protein. I don't know. Let's move on to the next item. Oh my god, this also has cheddar in it. Yum! This is by Incredipuffs. They're cheesy cheddar, a sharp and tangy tango for your taste buds in a wholesome, craveable snack. So these kind of look like Cheetos, like healthy Cheetos maybe you can compare them to. Says single serve pack, only 100 calories. Nice. Delicious snack, baked, never fried. And it's gluten-free, 0 trans fat, peanut-free, non-GMO, no artificial flavors, made in the USA. Incredipuffs, made with wholesome ingredients you can actually pronounce. Better for you, better tasting Incredipuffs by the Snack Brigade. Are baked instead of fried, gluten-free, and have 30% less fat than traditional potato chips. Our commitment is to always have 0 artificial flavors and 0 grams of trans fat. Yum, these sound amazing. Can't wait to eat these. Next up we have some trail mix. I might have tried this before, but maybe it was a different trail mix. This is by Mr. Nature, a handful of healthy cranberry trail mix. So this is made with nuts, cranberries, raisins, and seeds. There's 130 calories per pack, 4 grams of protein. I am a fan of trail mix, especially like when I just want like a snack that's quick and like will keep me like satisfied and full, like with protein pretty much. Like the peanuts provide that, but then you get some extra taste of the cranberries. Yum, can't wait to eat that. And sorry if I keep saying yum or good or whatever, but okay, the next item I've had before and I love it. I've actually had 2 flavors of it. So this is by Mighty Sesame Co. and it's a tahini bar. And when I first heard this, I'm like, tahini, like what you put it to make your hummus? Like what? They taste so good. So this is in the pistachio flavor. I think the other flavor I've tried is vanilla, also very good. So yeah, it's just like a 100-calorie bar. It's really soft. It just tastes amazing. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't think I've had any other bars like this, but I love them so much. So on the bag it says tahini bar, the best tasting snack, bar none. Are you fluent in tahini? If only the tahini you know is the one you use as a dip for pita or as a key ingredient in hummus, prepare yourself for a tasty new treat. Our tahini bar borrows from the tradition of ancient halva makers who first recognized tahini's tantalizing potential as a dessert. Oh, and do we mention it's gluten-free? So up your tahini game, or should we say raise the bar? Seriously, so good. And if you're curious, this is gluten-free, kosher, vegan, and it is made with nothing artificial. I will be eating this like right away. Wait, are there 2 in here? There's 2! Oh, I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. Yum! The next item I will be passing on. My roommate eats stuff like this, but I don't eat meat. This is by Larissa's Kitchen Smoky Sweet Beef Stick, made with 100% grass-fed beef, gluten-free. So yeah, I won't be eating this, but I have someone who will gladly eat it. That's fine. The next item I've tried, and it is so good. Like, I want to go online and buy more. Like on the same level, like I would want to go buy both of these like in bulk and have them always. This is by Lily's. It's salted caramel milk chocolate style. So there's no sugar added, less sugar, sweet life. Made with 40% cocoa and it's sweetened with stevia. So it's just a little bar of chocolate. So it like controls your portion size first of all, but it is the best ever. Like chocolate caramel like mix. Like there's not actual caramel in it. It's like incorporated. You know, sometimes you have chocolate bars that have like a layer of caramel inside. It's not like that. It is seriously so good, you guys. I love it so much. I can't wait to eat this. And yeah, if they ever have like a sale of this on their website, you know, I'm gonna pick them up. And probably more than just one. And then the last item in here is by Purolene cream-filled wafers and dark chocolate. Whenever I see things like this, I always think of like putting them in coffee or something warm, like yummy. So this is by the Peter de Buchler, or sorry, I'm probably saying that wrong, baking company. So yeah, it's just like a little cream-filled wafer snack. I'll definitely eat these too. This is a great dessert. Like I said, you could put this in your coffee and warm it up a little bit, or tea, and these are super good. So that was everything that came in our box. I think you already know what I'm the most excited about. Sometimes I have trouble picking favorites, if you guys know me, but I have 3 favorites. Well, really 2, but I can't believe there's 2 of them in here. Was that a mistake, or did everyone get 2 of them? I don't know. But yeah, also these, everything's good. I'm excited about every single item minus beefy thing, but that's fine because it won't go to waste. So yeah, and all of that for $7.99. So again, I'll leave all the information down below. I'm gonna go and have something to eat because my stomach is about to start growling. But anyways, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.